What's up, beautiful people? It's a big day because we are cutting off this dude's hair.
All of that.
All of it. He's going into the Navy. He got his contract.
Yep.
We know when he ships out. So we're kind of getting the whole thing chopped off in preparation.
I've been working out with the instructors, and we do a lot of swimming.
Yeah.
And I get out and I use a towel to dry my hair, and it's still just dripping down. And my instructor's like, "Hey, why don't you dry off your hair?" I'm like, "It's just."
I'm trying.
Take it off now. I'm just shaving all that off.
No doubt. So we're gonna go get his haircut, and then we'll tell you guys more about when he ships off, what his contract looks like, all that good stuff. So let's go. So much years. You are a grown man. Ready to become a SEAL. You look like a SEAL now.
Miss my hair.
My dude looks like a Navy SEAL now. Look like a Navy SEAL. All right, especially with the, what is that? Itchy and scratchy hoodie.
Buddy. Yay, Linky's home. Hey, buddy. Hey, wow, you're so strong. Good job.
He was like, I gotta get up.
Yay, Lincoln. Hi, buddy boy. Oh, I missed you. Does that look good?
Ew, Mom!
Yeah, so we got some chocolate smoothies today. You gonna try it? I think you're happy about it, huh? Oh, yeah. Here, let's try a little bite. Ready? Yeah, you're so excited about it. Ready? Here you go. So you guys saw earlier that Jude just got his haircut for the Navy. And so things are feeling very real now. He got his contract, so we know when he's leaving, which is actually really soon. So all the feels around here. But today, Steven and I actually have a meeting with the Navy recruiter.
Crazy.
This is for us so that we can ask questions and just kind of talk through the process and set our expectations and all of that. So Jude's getting off of work. He's gonna meet us there in just a few minutes to kind of go over all of this and just make sure there's nothing that we're missing or any questions that we have can be answered. And then I'm gonna bring Ethan with me as well because I promised him a Boba date.
He's such a grown-up.
Yeah, we got back. I told him as soon as we got back from China that we would have a Boba date. And also, those glasses are super cool. Super cool. It's been a little over a week since we got back from China, so we're kind of getting over the jet lag. I still feel like a little bit off But it was a 14-hour difference, so that's gonna take a little time to get through it. But overall, we're feeling pretty good. And so, yeah, we're gonna have a little date, have a really big meeting, and so it's just a productive day.
Quick, get in!
Ah, it's raining! Got it? There you go.
I love those rainy days. Watch out.
Ethan, are you buckled? Okay. All right, let's go.
I love the rainy days.
Leave that song in. Oh, thank you, Lincoln. Okay, so we just got back from the Navy recruiting office, and
I like him.
he's a really good guy.
I like this. I feel like we're in good hands. I feel like you're in good hands.
I do feel like, that's what I said when we got in the car. I was like, I know Jude's in good hands. How are you feeling?
I'm excited. I am ready to get the show on the road.
Ready to go?
Literally.
I leave
Yeah.
in April.
Yeah, mid
Basic.
to late April,
Yeah.
which is actually not very far
Not
away.
that far.
It's like a month and a half away.
Yeah.
And he's been training really hard. I know, but you're so
Linky is so
excited.
excited.
We're gonna wait more. We can have more in just a minute. He's over here waving. We'll say hi in just a minute, Linky. Been training hardcore, waking up
Oh, yeah.
early.
His pecs are gigantic, guys. He walks around with no shirt on just to show off and make me feel like I'm never.
I feel comfortable now doing that. I used to be like a little scrawny kid, which I still am, but I'm getting there.
He's doing his ice plunges like
Yeah.
regularly, and was doing that in our creek when it was
Yeah.
snowing.
Yeah.
It's awesome. Yeah.
And so you're feeling good.
Okay.
I know, buddy.
Hi.
You're so excited.
For now. But
You're like about to go swimming or something, right?
Yeah.
He's
Yeah.
literally constantly, if he's not working at Chick-fil-A, he's working out,
Yeah.
training, and just super busy.
It's
And-
crazy. I thought, you were gonna have some time after basic to
Yeah.
come home, and then they were like, no, you're gonna have like 2 days maybe, and then you're gonna go to like underwater hell week to like learn how to not die in the water. And I was like, oh, okay. So,
But we'll be
just
there
like
for
bang,
graduation.
bang, go back to back.
good for me.
Yeah.
Good for me. We'll
Get it done.
Get it done as quickly as possible so I can get time off
Yeah,
and whatnot.
yeah.
So, yeah.
It's
Yeah.
great. We got to ask questions. We were like, okay, so what's the like signing bonus for parents? Things like that.
It's funny.
But I think we all feel good now. We're all on the same page of like just knowing what the process looks like. Yes, buddy. Hang on.
Even Lincoln over here.
Even Lincoln's very
Lincoln's
enthusiastic.
Give
And do you want some of this?
Ooh.
So yeah, he got some brownies. The girls made some brownies for the Super Bowl, and so we had some leftovers. You want to bite? You don't want to bite? Okay, he's excited. He was excited to see it. I was gonna say something. I was trying to remember. Oh, so he leaves in mid-April,
Yeah.
and we'll be able to see him off and
Yeah.
take some family photos, and then graduating from boot camp is like
Yeah.
midsummer.
Yeah.
So we'll be able to come.
Yeah.
Maybe Geeky and Papa will come.
Yeah.
We can like do the ceremony and all that. Spend the day there, and then they fly him. Yeah, they fly him out, and there'll be a significant amount of time that he'll be gone where we're not going to be really seeing you. We can call and stuff, right?
It is driving Lincoln crazy that he's not on camera right now.
I know, it really is. He is right here. He's got his action Bible. I know. Okay, kiss, kiss. Woo, yay. You got an action Bible. That looks cool, Lincoln. Very enthusiastic over here. Oh my goodness.
Our vlogs are off the rails lately, man.
And
It's so funny.
the thing is, we don't have the energy. Like it's, just feel like we're so busy and so tired that it's like, you guys just get the unfiltered, unedited, like, this is just, crazy life, and sometimes maybe it doesn't feel quite as cohesive as it has been. That's okay, because, it's real, and not that it wasn't real before, but like we just have less energy put into like editing and making it feel smooth and like us not talking over one another and all of that.
We're like, let's just show up, you know, and have it be raw, unfiltered, and just not polished, and that's better than not showing.
Don't touch that.
So this is really exciting. It's very bittersweet for me. I have cried many times in the past. Well, I've literally bawled my eyes out in China when we were coming back. We said goodbye to Penny, and the day that we said goodbye to Penelope was the day that Jude texted and said he officially had his contract and that you were leaving mid-April. And we got on the bullet train. We had said goodbye to Penelope, got on the bullet train to go back to Guangzhou, and I just sat there like weeping while we were taking the train back, and it's a lot for a mom to like let go of her kids. It just feels.
What made me sad was that he called you to tell you.
He called me first.
He didn't call me.
He calls you all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I think I tried to call you, but you didn't.
Oh, I didn't get a call. So.
Well, the reception in China.
I'll believe you. I'll believe that it's just bad reception.
It's just I knew you guys are gonna be together, so it's whoever picks up the phone.
Yeah. So we are so incredibly proud of Jude. Did you tell them that you officially like were qualifying for SEALs?
Did I?
I
don't know if I ever told y'all what I was doing in the Navy though.
We knew we were like trying for it, but I don't think we've ever said that you actually qualified with your test scores and with your physical scores and all that.
Yeah, so he's going into the SEALs program after boot camp and all of that. No, I don't want to say that.
He'll do
I want you to say stay safe.
Do basic training, then pre-buds, then buds. And it's like what's basically
I think
68 weeks total, right? Because you got 10 weeks for basic training, then you got pre-buds, and you got 58 weeks of buds, or something like that.
Something like that. It's a
lot.
long process.
Crazy.
But
And
it
they
should
had
be
you-
worth it. It will be worth it.
Yeah, and they had you like pick a couple backups too, right? If you like
I
this
won't
site.
need those.
You won't. I'm not saying you'll need them. I'm not saying you'll need
No.
them. But you have options.
Yeah, that's cool. My
Yeah.
second option is actually aviation. So if I know how to do SEALs,
Very
aviation
cool.
is so cool.
Thanks, but
Which is kind of fun because I remember we used to do these dad time videos. You guys remember those videos? And everyone would always ask like, "What do you want to do when you grow up?" And even when you were like 9, maybe not 9, that wasn't 9.
probably like
Yeah.
12.
12, maybe
Yeah.
12, 10, 11, 12. And he was like, I want to be a fighter pilot.
I mean, I still do. What I was thinking about as soon as I finished SEALs, if I wanted to learn how to fly a plane to break
Yeah.
the sound barrier,
Dude.
that'd be cool.
Or you could just like really work on running faster.
Run fast. Yeah, I mean, I got a pretty good run time right now. Yeah,
Break the sound
I
barrier.
run.
So yeah, lots of exciting things ahead, and we're really so incredibly proud of you. And I'll just be over here crying tears of joy, but also like.
I really liked what I heard today. His recruiter was like, yeah, his sergeant is big on like investments, making sure you're taking care of yourself financially so that he can take care of us when we're old.
I think Penelope can do that with her own business that she made.
Yeah, our kids are working hard. We're really proud of all of our kids. But this is a really special day. It feels like really real now. Like you have your contract. All the questions have been answered. We have the date that you're leaving.
Yeah,
Just don't get injured and I'll be fine.
that's right.
Don't get injured. Stay safe. And
So if you're watching this, Jocko, we're gonna be calling you soon. Jocko Wilnick.
who's that?
Y'all know who Jocko is. Come on.
I don't.
Okay, we can't.
But I don't know
You're
like.
crazy.
He wrote the book, Extreme Leadership.
I swear.
Extreme Ownership.
One more minute.
Extreme Ownership.
I've started. No,
He's got,
So this is super exciting, and we can't wait for you to start your journey. And
Same.
we'll be cheering you on and praying for you every step of the way. And you should probably go ahead and go now before I start crying.
I'm about to fall asleep. But I have to go swim.
your name.
Swim and then sleep.
Swim,
You
gym,
will
sleep.
lead Jude back home to us.
Oh my gosh.
And roll the
Excited though. We know you guys are all so proud of Jude as well. So you can leave your well wishes and congratulations in the comments section. I'm sure he'll read them. And we're really grateful for how you guys have loved on Jude, and you're a man now, Jude.
On those nights where he's like crying himself to sleep in the barracks and he just needs some encouragement, he'll just like pull up this video, open up your comment section, and just be reminded why he really does it. You know, why he's doing this.
Yeah, YouTube's got me all the time.
Oh my gosh. It's great though. I love you guys.
Love you guys.
Okay, you ready to go get some boba? Yeah. Let's go. It gets dark so early these days.
There we go.
Oh, there we go. Ooh, this rainy weather.
How's this?
It's gonna rain all day long.
So,
Oh, there you go.
what's that for?
That's a radar thing. If we got in a wreck, it would record. It records what's going on the road.
So if somebody lies, then
That's
we
right.
can give them
They'll be able to
actual
see.
evidence.
They'll see who would be at fault for a wreck. Dad is telling us to pull forward here. Yes.
Hello. I love you.
I love
Yes,
you.
have fun. I'll see y'all later. Honey, no, you're filming. I can't see the window. I was being silly. I was like, she must not see me.
Love you.
See you.
Okay, so Ethan and I just got home from our date and got some boba. It was really good. And then we ended up going by the shoe store because he is growing like a weed.
Yeah.
And what did you end up picking out?
I got some new shoes.
Some new shoes. Let's see. Those are so cool. They've got like a dark green Nike on them. Yeah. Hi, did you want to say, Lincoln just bent over to say hi. Were you saying hi? Come here, Lincoln. Hey. Hey, did you miss me? It's like, no, I didn't. He's watching his show. Come here. We're gonna, Linky, we're gonna close it out now. Do you want to say bye to our friends? Does he have your phone? Lincoln! That's mommy's phone, silly. Do you want to say bye-bye to our friends?
Bye.
Say bye-bye, friends. I love you so much. We'll see you guys next time. Bye. Ethan wants to show you guys really quickly. He has some new glasses and he actually has 4 different pair that he likes. All of them are a little bit different for like different occasions, right? And you look really good in all of them. Do you want to show them which ones are your favorite? Yeah, Lincoln.
So we have the clear ones, just like casual.
Those look great. Yeah, very casual, very nice. Those are great.
Then we have the ones that match Kira's.
Yeah, those do match the ones that Kira wears, and I think they might be my favorite. I really like
I
those.
do like them. They're for like just kind of cute stuff.
Yeah, or like if you just want to go like hang out, go shopping, just have a fun time. Yeah.
We have the black ones for like pretty special stuff.
Yeah, a little bit fancier.
Yeah.
Those are cool. I do really like those as well.
Yeah.
Are those more lightweight?
Yeah.
They seem like it, kind of thin. Yeah, Linky, you watching your
Then
show?
we have the fanciest ones.
No grabbing, Linky.
Fanciest ones I don't.
Those are
This is
fancy.
for like very special occasions.
Yeah, like are those gold?
Yeah.
Yeah, you could wear them for like special
Weddings.
occasions. Yeah, like when your sisters get
Dances.
married. Hopefully that's not for a while.
I do like all of them.
Yeah, they're great.
I have to say that this one is my favorite.
Those are your favorite too?
Yeah.
Yeah, same. They all look good. High five.
For your name's sake, you will lead me back